Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and I just canned some tomatoes and I wanted to show you how to store your tomatoes on the can shelf after they've been processed. So you can look at these and see that we've got some really nice pretty tomatoes here. And then the bands on the top of those, we want to take those off. We want to check to make sure that the lid is secure. And this is how you want to store your tomatoes on the can shelf. You don't want to put the ring back on it because if by chance this seal breaks loose on this, I don't know, 6-8 months down the road, and then it's a little sticky still and this band is still on it, it might get a false seal and then you've let air in that could contaminate your food and spoil it. So you definitely don't want that to happen. So if the seal does happen to come loose, then you'll know because it won't go back down on it because you don't have the pressure of the ring on it. So this is how you want to store your food after you processed it for shelf stability. And I hope you've enjoyed this content and learned a little bit. And if you have, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.